Hello, Sathi. Welcome to quantum mechanics. Today we are the discussions inadequacy of classical mechanics that were explained by the quantum mechanics. Point out, okay? Point out inadequacies, adequacy of classical mechanics. Adequacy of classical mechanics. Find out some first adequacy of classical mechanics is stability of atom. Stability of atom is the first adequacy of classical mechanics. According to classical mechanics, atom is unstable, but that is the contradictions because atoms is stable, which explained by the quantum mechanics. So stability of atom, okay? Stability of atoms is first adequacy of classical mechanics. Second adequacy of the energy spectrum of atom, okay? In classical point of view, energy spectrum of atom is continuous form, but that is the contradiction which explained by the quantum mechanics. Third adequacy of classical mechanics is photo-Compton effect. Third adequacy of classical mechanics is Compton effect. According to classical point of view, this Compton effect cannot be explained. The Compton effect, that is the quantum effect explained by the quantum mechanics. Okay, fourth, photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect, which cannot explain by the classical mechanics. That photoelectric effect is explained by the quantum mechanics. 5. Energy spectrum of black body radiation. Energy spectrums of black body radiation, which cannot be explained by the energy spectrum of the black body radiation in classical point of view. According to classical point of view, this black body radiation is explained according to the classical point is the continuous form, but that correct energy spectrum of the black body is discrete form, which explained by the quantum mechanics. 6. The variation of the specific heat capacity. Variation of specific heat capacity, which cannot be explained by the classical mechanics, that explained by the quantum mechanics. At low temperature. 7. The enormous variation of electric conductivity. Enormous variation of electric conductivity, which cannot be explained by the classical mechanics. So that this anomalous variation of the electricity conductivity is the quantum point of concept. 8. That that magnetic property of matter. Magneti is magnetic property of matter, which cannot be explained by classical point of view. 9. That spin angular momentum momentum that point out of inadequacy of classical mechanics. First is the stability of the atom, second is the energy spectrum of the atom, third is the Compton effect, 4 is the photoelectric effect, 5 is the energy spectrum of the black body, 6 is the variation of the specific heat capacity, 7 is the enormous variation of the electric conductivity, that 8 is the magnetic property, 9 is the spin of angular momentum. Thank you very so much. Most important question. Thank you very so much.